Basically, in today's video, I'm gonna be going on a monkey app and asking people what's the freakiest thing they ever did. What's the freakiest thing y'all ever did?
What the what?
Hold up, pause, rewind.
Somebody licked my whole body.
From head to toe? Y'all ran out of water?
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah. Oh no, I'm not recording. No, I'm not recording.
Are you lying?
No. There's no camera, nothing.
Okay. I had sex and Dillard's in the dressing room. Why your friends talking about that out here?
Why your nostrils not letting me breathe?
So it started, I was having a threesome with my friend and her boyfriend.
Yeah?
And then we were drunk as fuck. And then two of my friends come in and they were like, let me join. And I was like,
Add time, hold up. Where do y'all live? Not subscribers? That, nope.
Young niggas getting rich, trapping out apartments. Young niggas getting rich, now we ain't had no part to piss. She watching me, she like the drill. I'm smoking hella cannabis. These niggas fake, you counterfeit. That chopper got a hella kick. Hopped up off that porch, that's the smartest shit I ever did. It's time to ball no jeans and kid. Up it, better let it rip.
Hey yo, Zay, what it do, baby? Woo! It's your boy Zay City out here with another video. Yeah, dig what I'm saying. And in today's video, check this out. All right, so I'm walking. I got my ring light in my bag. You feel me? I'm walking to my friend's house right now. We about to go shoot a. Oh shoot, technical difficulty. Anyways, like I said, I'm walking to my boy Roger's house and we about to shoot this video. It's gonna be on the monkey app. But before we do that, I'm just gonna take this time to say, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Bro, this stuff is hard to carry. Like this video, and yeah, I'm gonna do the rest of it when I'm at his house. Oh shoot, man, it looks like it's about to rain down on my ass. I might be at his house for a while. I ain't gonna lie, it's hot as hell. Niggas are sweating for no reason. I don't like Florida, bro. I don't. Alright, y'all. So I just pulled up to my boy Roger's house.
Payment? Hold on.
What?
That bitch said payment.
What you mean?
Oh, I thought it
No. Anyways, I'm at my boy Roger's house, you feel me? Still waiting for the dap, but the dap. Alright, anyways, so he downloaded the app right now, so I'm gonna use his phone because here's what happened to my phone. I wanted to record.
It's the 7 or the 8?
Yeah, don't put your phone in the pool, it's not gonna work. But anyway, I set up the ring light. We're about to just set up real quick and then we're gonna get straight into the video. This cut out if it's messed up. But what's it called? So how are we gonna do this? It's like I do one, you do one, I do one, you do one. I guess maybe. Bro, this man weird, bro. So I guess we're just gonna do it. Wait, should I even tell them what we're doing? What's it called? Basically, in today's video, I'm gonna be going on a monkey app and asking people what's the freakiest thing they ever did.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, America's nasty. So we just gotta see how bad the problem is. You feel me? Stupid. Anyway, you can record 3, 2, 1. All right, bet. Oh, she's from Washington. Yo, at time real quick, I gotta ask you a question.
okay.
All right, show your face real quick.
Dang, I just woke up.
It don't matter, I just woke up too.
I'm saying, I'm ugly too.
We all ugly.
Yeah, ugly game.
Anyway, I got a question.
What?
What's the freakiest thing you ever did?
Nothing. I'm a virgin for life. I mean, I've sucked toes. I've had someone suck my toes, that's all.
Goodbye. No. Like those. What? Anyway. Yo. Hey, add time. Can y'all add time? I got a question. Alright.
What's up?
What's the freakiest thing y'all ever did?
What the what?
Hold up, pause, rewind, run that back. What'd you say?
Suck with a fruit roll-up on it.
Hold on.
That's a different freak, bro. That's a different, that's different species called what?
Where she at?
Where y'all from? Huh?
Yeah.
Alright, hold up. That's the case, though. Yo. Hey, can I ask you a question?
What?
Alright, add time real quick. Who's with you? Alright, bet. Alright, I got a question for both of y'all.
What?
What is the freakiest thing y'all ever did?
Suck my dick.
Okay.
My mom was in the front seat of the car. Yeah, I did.
Whoa!
Wait, did she say gave head when her mom was in the front seat of the car?
Mom was in the front seat?
Yeah. Right.
Bruh, what is it? Bruh. This is different, bro. I don't know what they put in their cornflakes, dog. Like, that's different. What's it called? Yo.
You're cute.
You're lying. Anyways, I got a question for you.
I probably have an answer.
Alright. What's the freakiest thing you ever did?
I sucked dick.
Where?
At his house, in his bathroom, and his mom was at home.
Dang, bro. How old are you?
14.
Okay. Charge. FBI's here, dog. FBI's here, dog. The FBI is here, dog.
Alright, yo. Hey, can I ask you a question?
What's up?
Can you ask that real quick? Alright, girl.
Alright. What's the freakiest thing you ever done?
Let me please them.
Wait a minute.
Hold up.
Okay.
Did his thumb stink after that? Yo. Can I ask you a question? At time. Alright, you ready for this?
What's the freakiest thing you've ever done?
Myself, falling in the room with my siblings.
Yo, bro, I know. Bro, his sibling in the room like, wait, what? Why? Alright, girl, you do you. That's... Bro, it simply said, huh? What was this? Trying to see something. What? Bruh. Bro, you for real, dude?
Well, that's Rap Zero.
What? Y'all, bro, the ring light just went out, bro. I think it just broke. Hold on, I'll get back to y'all. Hold up. All right, so I guess we'll just use the regular daylight, I guess.
I thought of it.
Dang, that's tough, bro. $90 out the damn window.
50 cents.
90. Oh yeah, definitely. What's it? Dang, that's tough.
Them niggas lost crazy.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna set this up for y'all real quick. That's kind of tough, man. Oh, all right. Back in it. Bro, we're probably gonna do like 4 more and then call it quits because I gotta figure out what's going on with my ring light. But
Yo.
what it do? Can you add time real quick? I gotta ask you a question. Are you ready?
Oh my god.
What's the freakiest thing you've ever done?
Yeah. What's the question?
What's the freakiest thing you've ever done?
I think that's personal. I don't think I should say that.
I mean, who are we gonna tell?
I don't know.
We ain't
I don't
gonna.
know what's the freakiest thing y'all ever did.
I'll tell you once you tell me. All right.
So,
All right.
you know how you have the sex, right?
Yeah.
It's done.
Yeah.
I made the nigga eat.
After?
Tell me what y'all did out there.
Oh yeah, I can't disclose that
We did a little
information.
something.
I can't disclose that information.
Creeping.
Oh, I'm dead. I said, who we gonna tell? I told everybody. Oh, that's crazy.
Oh, you creeping. Not one person.
I'm saying.
Ew.
Alright.
Add time.
Add time real quick. Add time real quick. Alright, I got a question for both of y'all.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah. Oh no, I'm not recording now. I'm not recording.
Are you lying?
No, no.
Okay, what's the question?
What's the freakiest thing y'all ever did? No, like there's no camera, nothing.
Okay. I had sex in Dillard's in the dressing room.
In Dillard's?
Dillard's in the dressing room. I've never done anything, and I'm not lying.
Where?
Dillard head.
Alright, yeah. Y'all ready to be famous?
Oh.
Goodbye.
I'm dead.
It actually sounds like a
Yo, what it do? Hey, y'all can add time real quick? Got a question for y'all.
Okay.
What's the freakiest thing y'all ever did?
I use my hand for
I've
everything.
actually done something.
Oh?
Oh yeah, you said. Yeah, but we're kind of broken up right now. We broke up.
That's tough.
How do you do it? Can you give us a demonstration?
This nigga said. Hey yo, I really thought she was gonna do it, but then she gave that face. She's like,
What did it do? What did it do? What did it do? Hey, what's it called? Can you add time real quick? I need to ask you a question. Can you add time real quick? I want to ask you a question. All right, who you with?
Best friend.
All right, I got a question for both of y'all. Y'all ready?
all right, what's the freakiest thing y'all ever done? What's the freakiest thing y'all ever done?
F it.
Wait, now I'm gonna tell him. I gotta ask him one time.
Oh yeah, I got you.
The freakiest thing I ever done, or
Yeah.
I never really done anything like.
Just think, off the top of your head, like.
It's not like I can say like what somebody done to me.
All right, go for it.
Somebody licked my whole body.
From head to
My
toe,
whole body was itchy.
like with vanilla ice cream.
No, they did not lick my whole body.
And what was they doing? They was cleaning you or something? Like y'all ran out of water? What you mean? What's it called? And what about your friend?
She's a virgin.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, good for her. Good for
Tell
her.
me go fix that.
Hey yo, where y'all at? We're probably gonna get two more. Two more, we'll call it quits. What it do? What it do? Hey y'all, can I ask y'all a question real quick?
No, what's up?
All right, add time real quick.
Oh,
That's crazy. I did it.
No, really.
All right. We got a question for both of y'all. All right.
Hey, what's the question?
All right. First off,
Calm
relax,
down.
okay? Y'all very beautiful, so we got to take our time with it. You feel me?
Especially that one.
What day?
And especially, yeah. What's it
All right,
called?
listen. What's the freakiest thing each one of you have done?
Text.
How'd y'all do it? Where?
Oh, no, actually, I take that back. I gave somebody a blowjob in the car last night.
Yeah.
Last night. Wow. Hey, so this is pretty recent.
We were in the car together, bro.
In the car together.
No, they were here. Follow back to them and, like, to ask. There was two people, right? There was two guys, right?
Oh, okay. I thought y'all was
Oh, I
sharing
thought they
the
was
same
sharing
guy.
No.
That's crazy.
No, we were playing Truth or Dare. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Y'all are playing Truth or Dare and it just escalated like that. Can you demonstrate?
Yeah.
What it do, baby? Hey, yo. What's up? Why your nostrils not letting me breathe? Anyway.
I ain't had no words, man. It was sweet dick. Hopefully they can do it.
I'm saying, bro. Yo, what it do, baby?
What's up?
Hey, yo, add time real quick. We got a question for y'all. Both of you. Y'all ready?
Alright. What's the freakiest thing each one of y'all have done?
You go first. I don't want to say that.
Why not?
It's just coming to me and you.
Who are we gonna tell?
I had to find some in my friend's bathroom.
When was this?
A couple weeks ago. Yeah.
Was it like an event or is it like
That's
what?
not a fight, that's an order.
It was like, so it started, I was having a threesome with my friend and her boyfriend.
Yeah.
And then we were drunk as fuck. And then two of my friends come in and they were like, let me join. And I was like, okay. What the fuck? I haven't really done anything like that.
Add time, hold up. Where do y'all live? Oh, it's that F for you?
Huh? What have I done? I don't know. You don't know everything that I've done. Probably got fucking weird in front of me. Oh yeah, that's my sister. I got in front of her like the other day. She had no idea.
Sisters.
They're sisters.
She didn't know though, so it's fine. I told her afterwards, but like,
Yeah.
you know, she's like,
Who's older than who?
I'm older than her. Yeah, she's older than me.
Y'all both very beautiful.
Thank you.
So, where do y'all live?
They all the way in Texas. Oh, actually, I'll be there in like 4 months. Yeah.
See y'all there?
I'm dead.
Oh, man, bitch. Alright, y'all, bro. That's the end of the video, bro. There's some freaky people out there. Go cat. Hella freaky. Anyways, what's it called? Damn ring light broken. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, bro. I'm going for what? Let's say 40 likes. 40 likes. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you already subscribed, make sure to turn post notifications on.
Yeah.
Y'all dig what I'm saying, boy.
Yeah. Yeah. And add me on any social media. All right. Yeah. And we're out.
Oh snap, bro. Alright, but before we close this thing out real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and announce the winner of the Caption This challenge from last video, KHYLAN. Bro. Hey bro, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for supporting me, bro. The link to his social media is gonna be in the description. Anyway, bro, if you guys trying to win a shout out in my next video, all you gotta do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, caption this photo, and whoever has the best caption for that photo is gonna get a shout out in my next video. So, bada bing, bada boom, Mr. Will Rattler, step in the room.
How you do that? That Z stuff.
You always gotta throw the Z's up, bro.
Oh,
You dig what I'm saying?
what he did.
That's all I really gotta say for y'all today. Just know that I love every single one of you guys. Thank you guys, 700 of you guys, bro. Subscribe to my channel.
It's alright, bro. It's alright. Alright, it's too much love. Too much love.
Alright, y'all. Z's up. You boys out. You won't work.